A chance of showers.
The National Weather Service in Northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Wabash County, Indiana, Southeastern Pulaski County, in
Washington and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, South Central Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 1:30 p.m. At 12:53 p.m.,
moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peru, Rochester, North Manchester, Akron, Mentone, Mexico, Tijuana, Denver, Roane, Claypool, Fulton, Macy, Burkett, Lighters Ford, Maina Lake, Lisa's Corner, Deepsville, Beaver Dam Lake, Hoover and Sayville,
and Shaler Township.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
This storm has produced
wind damage
to the National Weather
Service Office in Northern
Take shelter
Indiana.
now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Storms and may lead
Please
to flash
report
flooding.
severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS
for the
Pittsburgh.
following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Kosciusko, Miami, Pulaski, and Wabash. This is